Kementeri Kyrkieh kong amperin lingdo hagas ngibaar kala ong baka Sorkar Jylla kampat Kyrkieh setia banshimrai hakabayadei pagajing Aiti ya kacispa pra emergency service shaka company ba Thymmai. Hadu nyau teligi company kila ya shimbenta hagajing ya tap tender banshimti penya ya kacispa pra emergency service sapo ke Jylla. Habayakren bagi nong tok kubor Kementeri kala ong baka Sorkar kadang ya kemi ya kene kekam bat kaban sacisin bakine kidai kikam ki bahap kemi biniap ha Madon kam ban yai kat kum ki kindon balabu bat kumta ka Sorkar kampat Kyrkieh setia ban simrai halor kene ke benta.
Pressed on the 108 at the moment because, like I reiterate again and again and again, these are all professional bidding procedures. And in a professional bidding procedure, which is standard, you need to conform to those standards within the bids. And we are not in any hurry to take a decision on this kind of an intervention. An ambulance saves lives. If we have to save a life, we have to ensure that our engagements with bidders as per or within the parameters of the bidding are adhered to. There should be no gaps, no errors, no scope for anyone to accuse us of not having done the best thing possible. So give us the time, and our NHM director is also away on official duty. He is engaged in the election duty. There is no harm. We can wait a little bit more. I'm in touch with the workers of the 108, explaining to them that if this decision has to be taken, let it be one which will be as flawless as possible. I do not want to be pressurized by anyone, because when you're under pressure, your thinking is also not very clear and organized. And I'm determined to try and do the best. I will be the most happiest person to see that in my ambulance, all the facilities which were promised at the time of a bid materialize on the ground. I'll be so happy to be able to be in a position where an ambulance located at X location is in connection with a, a facility in whichever location, so that at least the time spent between traveling from point of occurrence of requirement of health services to the point of reaching a service provider, be it a PHC, a CHC, a hospital, or any location, patient's life is saved. Every moment is attended to. I really hope that this will be one of its kind, and hence I am distancing myself from the procedures of bidding. I am not a member of any committee. I am simply a government which has reviewed a bid and which has seen that it is fit technically and it is fit financially, and it is going to be the best offer the state can get.